And let's see what. Oh, it has all other
Yeah, I was like,
copy.
yeah. Oops.
Ooh, Luis is breaking it already.
Hey, welcome back, YouTube family. So today we have an unboxing for you. It's gonna be a coffee machine. This is gonna be amazing for the morning when I want to make my coffee and I want to make a good coffee, not like the instant coffees that we make every day.
We don't make an instant coffee. We did had a coffee machine, but he's too lazy that he doesn't want to do it.
Yeah, I never used it because I didn't know how to use it, for one, and then two, it just seemed so complicated. So I didn't use it. But now,
he just
let's
don't
show
want to
you.
work.
Dun 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 dun.
Mr. Coffee, guys. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Turn on your bell notifications and your bells and whistles, and make sure we pop up first.
Hey guys, so what we have here for you guys is Mr. Coffee, which I just got it in the mail, and we're so excited.
The most exciting.
We do love coffee in this family. I drink coffee. I try it once a day. So anyways, as you guys can see in the back, that's where my whip it there so they can see in the back. I have an empty space in my coffee place.
We're ready.
Because I sold my old one. It was just only like a year and a half. Oh,
You know that they last forever, right?
They do,
10 years, 20
but then
years.
the reason why we sell it is because over here Mr. was too lazy to do the whole process.
It was too complicated, you guys. You have to bring the milk and do it, or whatever it's called. Frother, automatic milk frother.
Oh, well,
That's what
yeah.
it's called.
In my other one,
Yeah, you have to bring the milk in the cup and you have to put it in there.
And then he was like, he didn't know the whole process.
It was easier just to put it in the microwave, heat up the water, and just put the other instant coffee that we have. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to make some coffee. Alright, so let's follow me. Follow us. We're gonna unbox this guy, and Mr. Coffee is gonna be making me coffee every single morning. Ooh, I want to learn how to make those espressos.
Like everything, you get your menus that we never read. Do you?
No, I'm gonna read them because I want to make myself some bomb
All
coffee.
for you, baby. All for you.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need to read this. These are instructions on how to make
Coffee.
coffee.
Here, help.
Unless you say you already know how to make it. Hold it.
Woo! I love
But anyway.
it. Looks too cheap.
Alright, so that's a code sign for don't get rid of anything, okay?
Yeah.
Keep all your things with the
Oh
box.
yes. Make sure you guys keep everything in case you guys don't like it or something's wrong. I like to keep my boxes and every little thing, even like little plastic bags, for at least a month.
I'm actually surprised they didn't keep the box of the other one, and we could have tried to return it, you know?
I told you, I swear that I keep it, but it was almost 2 years.
Hey man.
So okay, I'll put this one back over here. So right here, where it comes in here.
I don't know. But here's a little coffee.
Oh, that's where your coffee comes. Ooh, this is the milk cajoncito or container, whatever you want to call
Little
it.
container.
Oh, this one has a lot of too many pieces that you're gonna have to clean. It looks pretty cool.
It looks too complicated, you guys.
It's definitely gonna be connected to that coffee, and then over here, then you control how do you say flow?
Like how, like the...
High spoon models you guys want it. And this one will connect, and then you can take this one off and put it back in the refrigerator so your milk doesn't go back.
Alright, let's get this coffee.
So this is the
I just want to get it going and actually
coffee
try
machine. It looks okay so far. Looks good.
Let's take all this tape off.
So in the back it has a water container. And let's see what. Oh, it has all other
Yeah, I was like,
coffee.
yeah. Oops.
Ooh, Luis is breaking it already. So let me show you guys the back. It's just pretty much regular coffee. It's a little filter. You put your water here. It has the Matt's sign. Just like this.
It sounds like I'm gonna have difficulties with this one as well.
I thought this one was gonna be easy for you. What is this? Oh, this is just for you to clean the container.
That's like whatever spills, I think.
And then you pull this thing in here. Oh, this is so cool. This is in case your cup is bigger, and if your cup is smaller,
oh,
you get another one.
Gotcha.
So just like your bag.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it even says it there. Pull for small cup tray.
For people inteligentes como nosotros.
Yeah.
Wow. So this little.
See, you read and you find out what's going on. Okay.
Wow.
These things are very important. What is this thing called?
Who really?
Oh, the measuring scooper. This is a measuring scooper with a tamper.
Who really read instructions, you guys? Let's be honest.
I do. Put a comment.
Put a comment below if you really read menus or instructions. Not menus. What is it, menus? Instructions for your
I think you're gonna like this menu better though.
That's the. Oh, what is it? Is that recipe?
This one, yeah.
Oh my gosh! Let's do this one. Okay. Now this thing no se sale.
No, because you clipped it there.
Esta cosa.
That's true.
You
got this. Oh my god.
Did it have a clip thing?
Yeah, look. It goes in there. That's why it clipped, and then you go like this, and it doesn't. It's supposed to stay there. See?
And then turn it around like
and then
this.
you turn it. Oh, it's gonna be right here. Look. You're gonna need to know where. Oh, right there.
First, I don't think it. Oh, maybe this one with this one. Wait. This one with this one? Oh,
yeah,
it does. Ta-da! Why are you so smart, amor? Por eso me casé contigo.
Alright, so this coffee machine comes complete, right? It comes complete with the water jug in the back. Obviously, you have everything working here. You have the little milk container for your cappuccino. So you could do, what is it called? Frother your milk. Basically make it all foamy.
And then you just connect it here. It has two little light things.
Yeah.
You can take it off and put it back in your refrigerator so your milk doesn't go bad.
Or you just make it coffee so it can run out.
And then it comes with this little plastic thing that you grab your coffee, put it in here, and then you press it.
And it depends if you want double or single scoop. They're deeper. See,
this is so cool.
That's single.
My older one only had 3 of this, but they were the same size.
I already figured it out. It's not that. So this thing is actually right here in the front. I mean, I guess you can, but you can.
Ooh, let's try it, you guys, and let's see how it goes. Let's wash it. We're gonna go wash it, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, you guys.
Hey.
We already kind of connected.
Yeah, after we washed it, we got it ready. We don't want to, use anything that's comes from the factory.
It doesn't look like too nice, fancy. I don't like how it goes, how it looks here, but hey, si me hace el café bien, it's okay.
We're gonna try it.
We put water. You can put your filtered water, your good water, your clean water, whatever water you drink that's good and safe for you guys. Slide it in the back.
Yeah, that's just the way it's gonna be. Yeah.
Make sure it clicks. So it connects. My concern was that it's a little bit.
Oh, because look, this thing comes more in this way too, and this one goes all the way to the end. False alarm, you guys. She was about to return it.
You still me.
Oops. We're gonna make the cappuccino. We're gonna make the double one. Let's do this.
there is your cappuccino.
What? Let me try the top. Okay. Don't actually try the coffee because it's burning, right? That is delicious. Anyway, she's like, let's throw it away. I was like, nope, just keep on adding it to my Groot. Yeah, Groot is happy. It looks good actually now. See that? So now we're gonna try the latte.
We're gonna try the latte. Latte? Nah, so you do it.
The double or the single?
Do the double. So you have to click a double,
Yeah.
Oh, and I wanted a very, very estimado.
Well, you guys are gonna see this firsthand. Let me move this.
Which is really close. It's not gonna stop.
It's not gonna stop.
Oh my god, dude, we should just cancel it.
Can you cancel it? I don't know how to cancel it. Oh, that just happened.
You did double.
Hold on, here comes the coffee.
And it's gonna make an explosion.
Oh, get a straw, get a straw.
You can't,
Give me
it's
a straw.
burning.
Give me a straw.
Put that over there.
Anyway.
Whatever. It is what it is. We're making a mess. Just put a little napkin.
That just happened. Hold on. Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. You're gonna burn. Ew, that's just sugar. Ew, he's just eating all that sugar stuff, the milk.
You're welcome.
Well,
So you make sure you put a bigger cup in this. All right, and this is how you do not use this machine. Just FYI. But
if you have a small cup, you're not gonna do double like Luis, okay?
not for the not
and
for
I was
the
about
latte.
to tell you to do single.
The latte. Well, I just saw in there that it has more. The amount of ounces is bigger.
This is really good, you guys. If you ever turn, I'll keep this. Just kidding.
I don't doubt it. But anyway, so the espresso only has 2.5 ounces for the big one and 1.25 ounces for the small one. The
you can make a latte
cappuccino
too.
has 6 to 10 ounces and the latte is 12 to 15 ounces. That's why you overflowed.
You overflowed.
Yeah, the latte has a lot more. Now we know.
I did not overflow it. He did. Siempre echándome la culpa.
Yeah, I would not do that there.
I'm gonna make a mess.
Mistake number 2.
Oh, it just smells so good. But it's just, I'm gonna try it again. I already burned my lengüita.
Good?
No more Starbucks, you guys.
Oh, that good, huh?
I don't know. You told me.
Yeah, it's good. You can always put more coffee too. For me, this is perfect. Creo que ya me lo acabé anyways.
We hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We make a little bit of a mess, but that always happens in this family, so nothing new, you guys.
Cheers.
Now Luis is happy that he's gonna
I'm gonna be able to make my own coffee anytime, and I don't need the assistance of this sexy mama right here. But
I don't know, I'm still kind of like, I gotta give it a couple tries because there's some things that I like, I didn't like, but I will keep you guys updated to see.
yeah, just keep an eye on this section. If you don't see it anymore, it's probably gone bye-bye.
I just feel like the only thing so far as right now that I don't like it is that the milk container is small, which is, that's true. What Luis says, just for us it's fine, but when you have people over, you have to refill it.
Yeah, but because you don't want to, okay, so whatever's left over, you're gonna have to throw away eventually. Is it gonna be good to be there for a full day?
No, yeah, because you can take it out and put it in the refri.
Oh, gotcha.
That's what it is for. Yeah, but I don't know. I mean, it's like actually it's not bad size. It's not.
I think for us it's fine.
I think for us
how
it's
often do
fine.
you actually have family over?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Good point. Good point. Even when we have it, it's like once, twice a year, and then they just come for a couple days and then they
And then
leave.
they're
So that's true. Actually, never mind. Then that's perfect. I take it back, you guys.
I am always right.
Like, keep it. We have fun making it. Coffee together. So cute, romantic. Valentine's Day is
How
coming.
come we always mess up anyways? There's something always happens to us. Hey, but we're still here.
Okay, you guys. We hope you guys like it, share, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Let us know what coffee you guys like so we can try them.
Maybe in the comments, leave your favorite coffee
El
recipes
mejor
for us.
café que tengan.
Yeah. Okay.
Nombre, por favor.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.